Okay, here we go. We got ourselves a brand new X6 this morning. Got it all the way from store. We were the first ones in the store in the morning. And we've got our X5 over here. And let's take a look at this. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Okay. We're going to take a little slice over here. Let's see what's in the plastic. Okay, let's see how this opens compared to the other ones. Okay. Sort of open it this way. Okay, open straight up over here. We have the camera. Okay. And looks size-wise, definitely smaller. There's a drop. Look at this way, it's a drop thicker. Okay. Let's take a look at what the battery looks like over here. I'll take off the plastics. So it's got some sort of sensor over here. Oh, that's the microphone. Okay. You have those pogo clamps, and those do the charging. Okay. And let's take a look over here. Put this in the side over here and see if we find the pouch on there. We're going to go over here. We'll check, make sure there's nothing inside. Okay. A nice little notch for the fin over there. So I'll put that this way. Okay. Let's see what we've done there. Definitely throw this out if you have pets in the house or little children. Okay. Let's see what we've got inside here. Okay. So they got the USB cable. Might be a specific one for live streaming as well. A lens cleaning cloth. Looks like a microfiber one. Has a nice little logo over there. Okay. And then we got about the warranty. Third-party warranty is usually the way to go rather than these. Okay. Quick start guide, safety guidelines. A nice sticker you can have for the car or something. Okay, so now we have a pouch over here. We're going to set it down, and we're going to go ahead and check that out over here. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is going to probably want to check out here. It has a tab for the battery. Okay. Right, looks like it's quality. Has this some over there. We're going to put the SD card inside. Okay, I'll put that in there like that. Here goes this. And boom, turn it on. Okay,